visualization testimonies. Hello guys, welcome to a new video. If it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe and to activate the notifications. In this video, I will have two sessions. Session number one, I will be sharing with you the best ways to use visualization, how I use visualization, how it works for me so far, and how you should do it in order to get anything you want to make your dreams become true. And in the second session, I invite an amazing lady who is gonna give us her testimony about what I'm sharing with you. So please make sure you watch the whole video. As you know, our brain is really powerful, right? Our brains vibrates, pulsates, emanates as our heart beats. So this is very important to have in mind whenever we are doing visualization. So for me, number one is to have a routine of visualizations, right? So I try to visualizations every day. So it's really important to have routine, to have this kind of a lifestyle, and you do every day. Be aware in your daily basis of how you are vibrating, of how you are imagining or thinking or doing your visualizations, even if you don't notice. Whenever we are in our homes, at work, whenever we are doing anything or we are anywhere, our minds are working, right? We are thinking, we are imagining things, we are dreaming things, and we are always thinking about later, my projects, my plans, all this kind of stuff, right? So you have to be aware that those moments that you think you are not doing any visualization, you are actually doing it. You have to be aware of that. And this is really important because unfortunately when we are not aware of our thoughts, we have sometimes negative thoughts. Step number three, be realistic. I mean, you can dream anything you want, everything is possible. You can have very big dreams, and there is nothing wrong with that. Actually, it's wrong if you have small dreams and if you have like poor mind. You can have big dreams, but you have to be realistic on the process, right? For example, I want to have 3 kids, right? But I am not married yet, I have no couple yet. But I'm doing my visualizations every day, and I dream to have a beautiful kids, 2 boys, 1 girl, very beautiful and very healthy and intelligent and blah blah blah. But I didn't imagine first to meet someone, to meet the father for my kids. So this is just a small example. You have to be realistic, right? So when you do your visualizations, depends on what you want. Try to be clear what is first, what I need to prioritize in order to achieve this big goal. Number 4, don't speak with others, friends, family, or even your couple all the time about your dreams. Or don't even to yourself, Don't get like so focused that you don't even put attention on your present because you are busy on your visualizations, on your dreams, on your goals. Don't do it. I mean, it's important we do every day, but during that routine, once you finish that, just let it go. Let it go and don't just be focused on that, because if you focus on that a lot, your mind will understand that you already obtained, and your mind won't force you or won't guide you to get there, because your mind will think, okay, you already have it. If your dream is, let's say, travel around the world for 1 month, let's say, your mind, if you do visualizations, right, your mind will start to take you to that way, like saving, like really saving a lot of money, like focusing on the process, checking where do you want to visit, hotels, these kind of things, you know what I mean? If you think too much, your mind will think you already obtained and won't take you to that point that you want to reach. And if you think pretty enough, your mind will take you, will guide you to that process to obtain that goal that you want. So be careful, it's like kind of a balance. Step number 5, try to include others in your dreams. I mean, if your dream is a selfish dream, sorry, but it may be hard to obtain it. However, if in your dream you put your family, your kids, help other people, to help the world, to help the animals, to do something great to others, to do something great for the planet, the Lord of the universe will help you really fast to obtain that, because what's really important is your intention. And if you have a good intention, a pure intention based from love, believe me, your dream will become true like really fast. But if it's selfish, it's just thinking about you don't think about others, you don't care about others, it's me. This has a negative vibration and it doesn't work because the frequency is really low. So it will be really hard to obtain that. And the last step is start right now. Don't postpone this anymore. Because to be honest, myself, my sample, my own opinion, my own experience is that I should have started with this long time ago. I mean, I believe in this since I was teenager, however, I didn't work on this like I supposed to do. Like we all supposed to do. If you really work hard, if you really focus on this, believe me, you will have everything you want. All your goals, your projects, your plans will become true. I could achieve a lot of things. I could have a lot of things if I work on this before. All the things I have, regardless are a lot or little, I obtain through visualization. Believing and having faith that all what I'm having today was going to happen. So this really works. So I don't want to speak too much, so let's continue with the second part of this video. Here we go. Welcome, my dear witness and visualization testimony. How are you?
I'm good.
Alright, so I invite her because it's very important to have a witness for what I'm saying. I want to share with you my latest achievement, and it's her here. I mean, it's having her living with me in Singapore. That is my latest achievement. So basically, I dream to live with her, and not just her, also with my mother in the country I live in. And now I am in Singapore, so I dream to have them with me in Singapore. And thank God it is true, it becomes true, and I am so happy to be sharing this with you. And I tell you, this works, this really works. Because maybe for you this is nothing, or maybe for you this is, I don't know, silly or simple, but for us this was something big, and this is something big. To be living together in other country and in this amazing country that is Singapore is great, is big goal, and we are so grateful for this. And I obtained this through visualization. And now my beautiful sister will also share with you her latest achievement.
Hello everyone. I grew up in Colombia, as we already mentioned, and of course we love our country, we love our people and everything there. I would never change that. But for my education and my goals, I wanted to be in somewhere that I can achieve them faster and be known and just make my dream come true in the entire world. So basically, I just, since I was little, I've always wanted to study overseas in a safe country and in a country where I could have plenty of opportunities to be happy and enjoy life. So basically, I always visualize myself studying in another country, living in another country, and it was, to be honest, Singapore, because we always knew this country, and I went here when I was little, and I just love this country, I don't know. So it was always in my mind, Singapore. And I also knew what my career was, and I always visualize at nights or any day just me being in that country and studying there and being on a totally different environment. Now it is true. I am studying here, and it's the career I wanted, yeah. And I feel just so happy because I know that it seems like it's silly. If we're honest, you just think, how is it going to be this true? That you just have to imagine something in order to it to become true. So I know I used to be like that, but I was surrounded by my sister and my mother as well, and they were always teaching me the law of attraction and visualizing. And at first I was like, no, I don't think it's real. But then I was like, you know what? Let's give it a try. Like, you're not gonna waste anything. Just try it. So I decided to try it, and it was just actually a good journey, because when you start visualizing yourself, you enjoy that, because it's like your imagination, you can do anything, and in real life you can do anything as well. So it's really good to feel that you can actually achieve your goals and dreams, and it's in your hands, and if you believe it, you can make it true.
Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.